and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my daughter and she and I are going to be drawing
a leprechaun kitty
in a pot of gold. Throwing gold into the air.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to draw two kitties in the pot of gold. We're going to draw one on the left with a leprechaun hat and it's going to be throwing gold in the air, and then the other one will be just hugging hugging a gold coin. Alright, so we're going to start with the one on the left. Okay, so we're going to draw a little triangle for the ear, just a curvy triangle, because one of the ears is going to be showing under the hat. And then a smaller triangle inside of it. And you can do like a little tuft of fur if you can, if not, just a line. And then we're going to do a curve right here. Okay, so now we're going to draw the hat. So there's like a little bit that shows behind and the rest comes down. Yeah. A little bit showing right here and then following it down. And then we're going to draw a little buckle. And then we're going to draw a rectangle up here for the hat. Very cute. And then we just need to draw a little strap. And we can draw a little shamrock in there. Since it's so little, you could just do it kind of like a flower because it's so small. Okay, so imagine the other ear is behind right here, and then it's gonna curve down here. All right, now we're gonna draw the face. The eyes are gonna be closed, and so they're just two little slits like this. And then just a little nose right there. And then a little smile. Well, the top part's little and then the bottom part's gonna be big because the kitty's really excited about the gold. And then you can just like leave a little tongue down there and fill in the rest black. All right. And then you can do some whiskers. Okay, so now her paws, you do a skinny rainbow there. And then another skinny rainbow right here. And then I need to just finish my line right here. Okay, now we're going to draw her little paws. So you can do 3 dots here and 3 dots here. And if you're using a pencil, you could probably do circles, but I don't have a sharp enough Sharpie to do that. All right, and then we're gonna do the bottom part of her body in just a minute when we do the pot of gold. So now we're gonna move on to the other kitty. I think it's a good idea if we start with the feet because we wanna make sure that the feet don't run into that cat. So this kitty's laying on its back, and so we're gonna draw the feet, which are like incomplete ovals. They're kind of like half ovals. And so the other one right here. And then this is like the little sock on the bottom of her foot. So you do 3 dots and this little pad. the bottom of the foot, right? And I didn't really draw, there we go. Okay. So then we're gonna draw her knee right here. And then her tail is gonna go up and around like this, and then back down. Awesome. And then we're gonna draw an oval right here. And then another partial oval right here. And then her little sock type of things. But this time we're just doing 2 lines inside of it. Because she is hugging a gold coin. So now we can, yeah, she's holding onto that gold coin. So you can draw a gold coin right there, a circle. Very good. And then you draw her belly over here, like the top part of her belly. And then you can also, I'm gonna draw another line for a circle for her belly, because she's gonna be a gray and white kitty. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to her face. So from right here, we're gonna curve up. And then we're gonna do her ear there. And then the inside part of her ear. Very good. And then we're gonna do a little curved line right there. And then her other ear right there. And the inside part. All right, and then it's gonna curve over to there. And then we'll draw this part in just a second. We're gonna do her eyes shut also. So 2 rainbows. And then a little nose. And then 2 curved lines for a smile. And then she is gonna have a stripe down the middle like this. And then I'm gonna do 3 whiskers going out. And you can like leave a little spot for blush.
Can I just color it?
Yeah, you can just color it if you'd rather. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the big oval for the top of the pot of gold. So we're gonna start right here and go around. And then pause right there because we want to draw the bottom part of her first. So we're gonna draw her back right here, coming down. Then it's gonna hide behind that pot of gold. And then her belly over here. And then an oval for her belly. And then her tail coming up here. So now we can finish. Going around. And then it goes behind their heads. All right, and then you do like a curved line, I mean a diagonal line down that way, and another diagonal line down that way. And then you make another line. And then the pot of gold can just go off the paper. It's a really big pot of gold. All right, and then I need to finish this kitty's body, so the back curves around that way and then up this way, and that completes it. And I'm gonna have this line come a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the gold. So you want your circles to be about the same size as the one that you made that she's holding, and you can just do like half circles or circles that hide behind, and then you can have this part all get colored in black eventually, but just think about how the gold ends there. Can we draw her throwing the gold now? So she's tossing gold up in the air. So some of them are going to be ovals because they're going every which way. Small. Okay, so she threw the gold up in the air. And then when you're coloring, you could do like a rainbow in the background. You can give your cat stripes. So color the pot all black, a rainbow in the background, the gold, and you can, oh, you might want to draw a little line under the hat right there if yours is like mine. All right, let's start coloring. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing your leprechaun kitty, and I would love to see how yours turns out. So tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and then I can see it. And also make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. We'll see you next time.
Bye.